This is the Guy to Georgia Outdoors. I got my buddy Drew in the back, and we are in North Carolina at the Nantahala River doing some rafting. We're actually in what they call a double ducky, so me and him are riding together. I've got, oh, we're about to hit a rock right there. Oh, we made it. I've got 5 of my buddies. We're pretty much all teachers, and we're here today enjoying the river doing some rafting. So we're gonna take you back to the beginning. We're with Carolina Outfitters, and we're gonna see if we can get down this river, and hopefully we don't fall out. But either way, it's gonna be a fun day on the water. I really tied my anchor to Drew on this one. This is
we are good. I don't remember sitting so far back.
I don't remember sitting so far forward.
Were you on Carnage?
Yeah. All right. Duckies are out. There's no shortage of people on this river right now. I'm wearing the helmet, not for safety, but for my GoPro mount, so don't judge me.
Watch out for this rock.
They are already making fun of me for wearing a helmet, but you know what? It's the price you pay to get good footage. In a minute, I'm gonna move this GoPro up to here to get some quality footage. All right, we got our first rapid of the day, and I'm gonna try to navigate with one paddle, with one hand, while Drew navigates behind us. Drew's back there, our tour guide.
Hey, this is Jaws right here. Be careful.
Yep, and I just had water run up my backside. Whoa! Woo! Woo! Man, that's cold.
Oh, good Lord!
Woo!
Wow!
That'll get you.
Oh,
My goodness. That is some kind of cold right there. That ain't no joke.
turn it.
That is. There's a lot of beef in this ducky, and it's hard to navigate and paddle with one hand. Woo! Boy, it is cold.
Yeah.
I don't remember it being this cold.
I mean that.
Man, I am laughing. Oh, watch out for that big old rock. Woo! Woo! All right. Oh my goodness. All the way. Woo! Boy, you don't get used to that cold water.
Okay.
Woo! Woo! Woohoo! All right, that's a good one right there.
Watch that one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The best way to hit it, Drew, there's a rock. Let's go to the left. Let's go right behind another raft. See that rock?
All right, to the left.
Yep.
To the left.
These people are looking at us like we're a bunch of idiots, and that is because we are a bunch of idiots.
All right, get Justin. There's J-Bone. Watch out for the trees.
Uh-oh, somebody's paddle's on the other side.
Ducks fly together.
What does that paddle mean?
Somebody's holding it there.
Woo!
Here we go. Watch him. He's going on.
You better
the
go.
top.
You better go, Aaron. We're
Junior.
about to get you.
Bump Junior.
Woo! Oh, that's cold. You don't get used to that.
Whoa, rock, rock, rock. Hey, don't get us wet.
All right, I would imagine we're close to the halfway point. It's been a good ride. Nobody's ate it so far. Me and Drew have came close, but just a fun day. The temperature is pretty cool for June, and this water is very cold. Sorry, I'm adjusting a little bit. What you adjusting, buddy?
The strap of my underwear is around my neck.
Comfort is not the first priority here. There is Dustin. He is the only one in the group that is not a teacher. He's actually a paramedic, and we brought him along for that purpose. And we brought Eric along just for the looks. I mean, just look at him. Look at the way he paddles.
Yeah, you can tell the water's a lot higher.
Oh, look at him. We don't want to go there. He done ran up on a rock. Let's go.
Come on.
There we go.
There we go. We good.
All right, we got to navigate this one good.
Snap.
We got to navigate that one good right there.
I got it.
All right.
Woo!
Whoa!
Oh, please, hold it.
I honestly think if I go underwater, I'm gonna go into shock. I mean, this guy right here to my left is a natural. Look at the way he's just laid back. He actually just lit up a cigarette.
We're gonna let him go first on ball. Come on. There.
Oh. Woohoo! You don't want that. We don't want none of that. We don't want none of that. We do not want none of that. We do not want to go into that log, Drew. Start coming around. There we go. Woo! Woo! Good. Woo! We gotta get around that thing right there.
Come on.
All right. We can't go sideways. We don't want to go sideways.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Where you at, Bird?
He got spun out. He hit the Mario banana peel.
All right. Okay.
Uh-oh, Drew's got that rock. I mean, Justin got that rock right there. Justin going over that rock. I pushed him into it.
He made it. It's great. See you later.
Woo! Woo! Boy, that's cold.
There we go.
That did not get any warmer.
Bird, what's the matter, bro?
Drew, let's get over it. Let's get over it.
Let's go back. Where you going, dude? What are you doing?
Messed up.
Right. There we go.
Oh, no, you done. Woo! You done.
Let it go.
Don't do that to me.
Woo! Oh, there we go.
That is sitting right.
There we go.
All right, Justin, you hopping in line next. Because you're on, we're picking it right. Bumps around the corner. Bumps around the corner. All right, I apologize for kind of the foggy camera lens. That's just the nature of this. We're on our last stretch. We've got the bump and then the last little fall. So this is kind of what you wait for the whole entire trip for this last run. So we're about to nail it. We got to straighten up, Drew.
I got you.
There we go. There we go. Woo. All right. We got to go backwards, go backwards, go backwards. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, turn around. We had to go backwards on that. We made it. All right, this is the last run. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. He made it. Drew, navigate us.
Yeah.
That would have been no fun. No fun wiping out right there. All right, boy. This is it.
There we go, there we go.
Woo.
There we go.
This is it.
Where we at? Where we at? Bottom of my bottom. There we go, there we go.
Woo! Riding him out. That's it. Turn. I can't turn around. when you've been sitting in that kayak in cold water for a couple hours, the legs are not 100% wanting to cooperate. We gotta take this raft up. But whenever you come by, make sure you go out, because you do not want to end up down there. That's no fun at all.
It got kind of hairy there for a little while, man. At the end, just got spun around and like sideways on a rock, but I made it out safely and coasted to the end. It was awesome though. Water's freezing.
So I got locked in. Blake and Drew locked me into a rock, spun around, hung up on it, somehow pushed off of it, and got a little wet, got a little sideways, but overall it was a pretty good little trip.
Like a lot of our half-baked ideas, Blake talked me into joining him in the double ducky, which you would think there's safety in numbers. There's not, because it's the same size ducky everyone else got, but we had 2 of us in there weighing it down. But thankfully this year we did not get wet, we didn't fall in. A couple close calls, but overall, have fun.
Well, that was it for our rafting trip down the Nantahala. The double duckies was a little bit more work because we're the same size as a single ducky, but there's 2 of us in there. So, you know, I recommend the duckies if you ever come to do this, but if you're more of a raft guy, you can do that as well. You can do unguided, guided, whatever you want. So check out Carolina Outfitters. We had a great time. Water was cold, but it was a good day. I hope you enjoy this video. Hit the subscribe button. Until the next one, this has been the unofficial, no doubt incomplete guide, George Outdoors.